Good morning, guys. So we actually just got on site, so we're going to hopefully wrap up the tongue and groove ceiling here at the Barndominium here in northern Michigan. So yeah, it's a little chilly. Definitely had to thaw the windshield on the car this morning, but we got the table saw just because the boards, once we get all the way here, there's about a 2 or 3 inch gap. So we're gonna have to rip some boards just for that last little row of tongue and groove there as we work our way out. So should be able to knock it out. It looks amazing. I can't wait to get the can lights finished up and on. Well, the electrician's doing that, but we're also going to finish the door. So stain and seal the door to match. So that's gonna look pretty cool. So yeah, let's get started and get this ceiling done. Try to stay as organized as possible. Just kind of makes you look better to the customer and just makes things overall easier as you do every job. And Milwaukee Pack Out helps me do that. So let's start with the radio. So all my batteries are in this guy. We'll pop the radio in. Get that going. Cannot forget the Diamondback vest. This is still fairly new to me, guys, but I think it's a game changer. I don't have very many attachments for it yet, but just the ones that I do, it's kind of been making everything a lot easier. Look, we just got my phone holder here, drill bits here. You can definitely hang, the nail gun here, tape measure, whatever you need. It's all right here. It's not pulling down on my hips. It's not, keeping all the weight supported on the shoulders has been key. So, with the tongue and groove ceiling exterior, we are going with the 15 gauge finish nails. So not too big, not too small, but it definitely gets the job done and we'll hold those up there. So I'm just getting my setup going here. So we got the Milwaukee jigsaw, so we can cut around for the can lights. And then circle saw, because obviously nothing's perfect, so we have to cut the boards to length. Hammer, just because tongue and groove doesn't always like to fit perfectly. Square, tape measure. And this little guy, Fat by Fast Cap. I'll show you here in a second once I get it on. Plastic and rubber mallet, just so we're not damaging the boards with a metal hammer. Speed square, so we're cutting straight with a circle saw. And to get back to this fast cap attachment, really just put on this little guy, and then it's got this guy here. So what it does is you can put it in, twist it, and then it don't fall off. So not really important here because I'm not high up on the scaffolding, but when I'm doing jobs, 2 levels high, you never want anything to fall. So if it's locked and secure here, it's not going to, 1, fall, damage the customer's floor if it's inside, and 2, hit anybody below. So definitely like this little guy by Fast Cap. So it's just basically twist it up, pull it off, boom, boom. Let's get started.